Welcome to Madclash, the battlefield of brutal motorcycle police chases. No mercy, no room for mistakes, just raw speed, flashing sirens, and heart-pounding action. Let the pursuit begin.
¿No tienes un pedacito de queso?
Running from the police is illegal and extremely dangerous. It endangers you and others, and the penalties only worsen when you're caught. Never do it. That pickup truck turned out to be an undercover police vehicle. After the bikers rode past it, the officer tailed them from a distance until he had enough grounds to initiate a stop.
You don't know when the road responsible. No. Yeah, you. You don't know when the road responsible. So you do. You ain't got tag. You ain't got tag. You popping wheelies. And
damn.
that'll hurt. Not if you're right, but if you've done an accident, that shit would hurt. I can believe that. Hey, I told him so. I got like. You say you both the one with no tag? Did you say you both? I gotta run the damn thing, but I mean, you're not gonna get paid for registration if you have 7 days to get tagged. Does it have insurance? I told him not to maintain registration of some kind on it. But after that, you know, you have to get it. I just wanted to know, we had an issue. The right one up in the right here. That was I'll be sure to who's got no one slow down on today. I'm just being straight with you. Y'all been around today?
Narcotics department.
Do what?
I said narcotics department.
That's right. That's actually my job title.
Yeah.
Two motorcyclists flee from police on a busy street. This is extremely dangerous and you will be severely fined if caught. Never do it.
Vai lá, vai lá. Tá tirando com a minha cara? Pra que essa emoção? Pra que essa emoção? O garupa tá armado, não tá?
Vambora, filho! Tá chegando nada! Meu Deus, a curva! Tá sentindo muita dor, mano?
Nossa, regalou.
Deixa eu ver. Não, eu quero saber da tua perna, pô.
Quebrou?
A perna?
Hey, I had a quick question. Is that improper display?
If you ever find yourself uncertain about whether your plates comply with the law, The safest approach is to handle the situation just as this biker did.
I can read it, I'm not gonna stop you.
Okay, if you're sitting down, you're gonna be at a better angle than if you're standing up right now, you know? So,
Like I said, I can read it from here. If I'm driving behind you and I see you have a license plate on there and I can read it, I'm not worried about it.
okay, and then if I get pulled over, I don't know. I guess I'll see how many times I get pulled over. It is what it is. Are you having a good day?
Not bad.
I have a couple bracelets for you. I run a YouTube channel, and I'm also on TikTok, so check me out.
Awesome.
At high speeds, your reaction time drops, stopping distance increases, and the risk of losing focus rises. He was incredibly lucky to walk away unharmed. Ride smart, slow down, and stay in control. The motorcyclist filmed himself taking a turn too fast and too wide, drifting off to the right side of the road and crashing. Fortunately, his protective gear saved him from serious injury. As they passed a highway officer, the two bikers were quickly pulled over for having tucked license plates. The clip also shows how respect and honesty can make a stop go much smoother.
Both of y'all. Is there a reason why you're riding the way you're riding?
I have no idea. No excuse, sir.
Hey, y'all going too fast. We're in our traffic. That's dangerous. Y'all are gonna get hit. Step the service. I was watching home, dude. I was watching y'all coming.
Shit,
We
alright.
have 4 units up there, and we have 3 coming up.
Yeah, we saw 2 past there. I got my ID. My entrance is on my phone.
Okay.
You want me to pull it up?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, by the way, I am a CCW holder. I have one right here.
Okay, good deal.
You want to take it or you're...
No, you're good. Light.
It was my bad. I was taking photos and videos of it,
Okay.
and then I had to tuck it in so it wasn't on YouTube or anything.
Right. Well, I got
But
you.
yeah,
Make sure you-
I take full offense. I'm sorry about that.
Right.
Yeah.
Got it? Nice bike.
Appreciate it.
Motorcyclist flees from police through the streets of Brazil. The chase ends with the motorcyclist trying to swerve between 2 cars. A A motorcyclist stopped to help a man in a wheelchair cross the street, but while he was doing the right thing, a reckless driver did the wrong thing to his bike.
I'm sorry? I'm sorry, what was that? It was a f***ing accident. What, you want to f***ing do something, man? You f***ing punk. Are you going this way? Straight? You good? All good? Hey, bitch! What's up, dog?
This quick street altercation is something you should always avoid. A dark gray truck couldn't stop in time, swerved into the next lane, and clipped a white truck, which veered right. The white truck driver seemed unaware, so the biker signaled him to pull over, and their conversation began.
Hold on. What just happened, brother? Hey. You gonna pull over? Huh? It should be recorded, yeah, but I kind of nipped him. I think I'm good. I just want to make sure. Are you okay? So I don't know. You hit a car, no? Huh? You hit a car?
No, the car hit me.
Well, I saw you swerve. I got it on video, man. And then you bumped into me. I haven't checked the bike out, but yeah, look right here. I just don't know where my damage at. You hit me right here. You swerved and turned back to your lane and hit me. But as long as you're good, I'm good. I didn't fall. I just don't see where the damage is at.
The racer leaned too far, causing his motorcycle to skid off the track. The motorcyclist quickly got back on the bike, but was unable to continue because the bike was badly damaged.
Básicamente se trata de una...
The motorcyclist was chased by the police and had his papers checked when he was seen speeding on his motorcycle.
I'm trying to stay far from you. What's going on?
What?
Well, I was asking what was going on.
Where's your ID at? No, go ahead, give me your ID. You just decided to interfere.
I wasn't interfering.
I'm on a traffic stop and you decided to talk to me, so where's your ID?
I was waiting politely.
Where's your ID? You just asked me what's going on. Where's your ID?
Well, I wasn't being detained.
You're not, but you're interfering with my traffic stop.
I'm not interfering. Your traffic stop's over.
My traffic stop's not over. My
no,
lights
but
are
you're
still
done
on.
talking to him.
I'm waiting for him to get out of here.
Huh?
It's not over until he's gone.
Okay.
Okay? So you are free to go.
Okay.
You had no reason to pull up on me.
Oh, that's why I came over here, so you could see me.
I can see
I was
you
trying to be
right
respectful.
there. I get it. But throwing your hands up in the air, guess what? We will chase you.
Who threw our hands in
One
here?
of you, either you or the other guy.
Is that illegal? I want people to see me, though.
That's good. You're free to go.
Thank you.
You're walking the public roadway. Go.
We're going. I'm waiting for my buddy.
What's going on?
Bikes aren't allowed on the sidewalk.
Oh, my bad. We're sorry. We didn't know.
Get them off the sidewalk. I'm off duty.
Yeah?
But you're still on the
Bet
sidewalk.
you could do a lot off duty, huh?
What's that?
You could do a lot off duty?
Can I can arrest you just as much on duty as I can off duty.
For real? Guys, by the way, I'm totally
You're being an
serious.
asshole.
Am
Just get
I?
him off the sidewalk so somebody doesn't get hurt.
No, yeah, of course. We're looking for a place to put him.
Yeah, well, off the sidewalk.
Instead of engaging, they walked away and chose a different place to eat. A decision more people should learn from. Sometimes the smartest move is realizing who doesn't deserve your time.
Connor, get off the road, man. Come on. The guy's telling you, bro. Oh my God, Connor, he's cursing at you. Be careful. I told him.
The sinking sand caused the wheels to veer off course. Luckily, his safety gear kept him safe. Every situation on the road has a story, not just mistakes, but karma, reminding us of the fragility of life. If this resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and follow me for the next video, where the lessons will go even deeper.